Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. It's a lecture number 3 of chapter 2 biomolecule, and this lecture includes lipids and its types. A scientist Bloor in 1943 was used the term lipid. According to him, lipids are naturally occurring compounds, insoluble in water but soluble in Bloor reagent. Bloor reagent is an organic solvent and it is a mixture of ethanol and diethyl ether. Lipids consist of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The ratio of oxygen in lipids is less than carbohydrate. Classification of lipids. Lipids is further classified into four major groups. Number 1 is acyl glycerol, which is also known as fats and oil. Number 2 is waxes. Number 3 phospholipids, and number 4 terpenoids. Acyl glycerol is formed by the condensation of fatty acid and glycerol. Glycerol is a trihydric alcohol. Fatty acid and glycerol on condensation produce acyl glycerol. Acyl glycerol is formed with the elimination of 3 water molecules. In this condensation, the hydroxyl group of glycerol and the hydrogen of fatty acid condense, eliminate, and the remaining portion combine to form acyl glycerol. Acyl glycerol is further classified into two types, oil and fats. Oil is also known as unsaturated acyl glycerol. Oil is also known as unsaturated acyl glycerol. It contains unsaturated fatty acid. The term unsaturated means there is one or more double bond present between carbon atom. Oils are liquid at ordinary temperature, and oil is mostly found in plants. And the examples are unsaturated acyl glycerol is linolene, which is found in cotton seed. The next type of acyl glycerol is fats, which is also known as saturated acyl glycerol. The term saturated means there is no double bond in the chain of fatty acid. This class is melt at high temperature. Then unsaturated acyl glycerol and fats, all the fats are solid at room temperature and also known as saturated lipids. The source of fats are mostly animal, and it is present in butter and animal fats. The next group of lipid is waxes, and waxes is formed by the condensation of fatty acid and alcohol. There is only difference between acyl glycerol and waxes are the type of alcohol. In glycerol there is a trihydric alcohol, while in waxes there is a monohydric alcohol. And the condensation of fatty acid and alcohol produce wax. Okay, let's move to some properties of waxes. Waxes are widespread as a protective coating of fruits and leaves. It is also present in the secretion of some insects. Waxes protect plants from water loss and abrasive damage. They also provide water barrier for insects, birds and animals. The next important class of lipid is a phospholipid. Phospholipid is an important class of lipid for a biological point of view and is similar to glycerol or oil. There is only a small difference that one fatty acid is replaced with a phosphate group. So one fatty acid is replaced with a phosphate group and now it is known as a phospholipid. So there is a very small difference between phospholipid and acyl glycerol. The molecule of phospholipid consists of two ends. One is known as hydrophilic and second one is known as hydrophobic. Hydrophilic is also known as a water loving end, the end which is dissolved in water easily, while the next end, hydrophobic, which is known as water fearing end, and this end is insoluble in water. So phospholipid consists of both portion, water soluble portion and water insoluble portion. Phospholipid is found in membranes. It is related to vital functions such as regulation of cell permeability and transport process inside the cell. The last most important class of lipid is tryptophanes. Tryptophanes include all the lipids which contain isopyranide units C5H8. Tryptophanes help in oxidation reduction process and it is the important component of essential oils of plants. Menthol, camphor and mint are some important examples of tryptophanes. Tryptophanes is further classified into three groups: terpenes, steroid and carotenoids. Terpenes contain isopyranide unit. All the terpenes are volatile in nature and produce a special fragrance. Terpenes, some terpenes are found in vitamin A and are also important constituent of chlorophyll and cholesterol biosynthesis. They are utilized in synthesis of rubber and latex, and some of these are used in perfumes. The next group is steroids. These group of tryptophanes contain 17 carbon atoms ring called steroid nucleus and also known as steroid skeleton. One of the most important steroid is cholesterol. Carotenoid. The last subgroup of tryptophanes are carotenoids. They consist of fatty acid like carbon chain and usually found in plants. Carotene and xanthophylls are the example of carotenoids.